Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about some pros and cons of the Pixel 6 in 2024. And at the end of this video, you actually know whether it's good for you to get it or not. So let me know in the comment section what you think of after watching this video, and let's check this out.
First up, one of the biggest selling points of the Pixel 6 in 2024 is its price. As it's a couple of years old now, you can pick one up for much cheaper than its original price tag. With flagship spec still holding up, it is still for anyone who wants solid performance on a budget. Now, let's talk charging. The Pixel 6 charges much faster than some of the old Pixel models. It's not the fastest charger on the market today, but it's still speedy enough to give you a good boost in few minutes, perfect for those days when you are on the go and need a quick top up. And of course, the Pixel 6 camera. Even though it's a couple of years old, the camera is one of the best in its price range. It excels in low light, color accuracy and sharpness, making it perfect for anyone who loves mobile photography. Plus, features like Magic Eraser are still incredibly useful for editing on the fly. Another huge pro is that the Pixel 6 still supports the latest Android version. Google keeps this model up to date with all the newest features, so you are not going to miss out on any cool functionality or security patches. Having that peace of mind when it comes to software is a big win. One perk of having a Google-made device is that you get updates of Google apps faster than most Android phones. So if you rely on apps like Google Photos, Google Assistant, and even the Play Store, you will get latest versions of features before many other devices out there. Okay, let's flip the script and then talk about some cons. Since the Pixel 6 is older, finding a brand new Pixel 6 straight from the box might be tricky. Most retailers sell these devices as refurbished units, which can be fine but won't get that fresh out of box experience or brand new accessories. Another downside of the Pixel 6 tends to heat up. So if you are into mobile gaming, this could be a bit of a letdown. The phone can handle basic games just fine, but if you are pushing it with more graphics heavy titles, you might notice some heat and even a little throttling. Now, battery life on the Pixel 6 is another point of contention. For some people, it's more than adequate for a full day use, but heavy users might feel it's lacking. It's not a deal breaker, but it's worth keeping in mind on if you are someone who really pushes their phone to the limit. And the last but not the least, the Pixel 6 is reaching the end of its software update life. So this model is nearing its major update cycle. That means no more new features or optimizations after that, which could be a deal breaker if you want your phone to stay current.
I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, don't forget to share with your friends and anyone who you think is actually going to be interested in getting the Pixel 6. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video up, and I'm going to catch you in the next one. Peace.